So, there's this wild surgery called a hemispherectomy. It's where half of a person's brain is literally removed. Yeah, half the brain. But here's the crazy part. It's usually done on really young kids like babies or toddlers because their brains are still so adaptable that the remaining half can actually take over the functions of the part that was removed. It's usually done because the child is having uncontrollable seizures, and the only solution is to remove the part of the brain where the seizures are happening. But this made me think, um, if you can survive with just half a brain, then what would happen if I took your brain, split it in half, and put each half into two different bodies? Like, legit. Two empty skulls, two new bodies, left brain goes in one, right brain in the other. Who's you now? Which one of them is actually you? Or are they both you or neither? Think about it. You are you because you're conscious. You're aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your experiences. It's like you're this little observer sitting behind your eyeballs, watching the world go by from this very specific personal point of view. No one else can ever see the world the way you see it. That awareness, that feeling of being you, that's consciousness. But now here's the real twist. If I split your brain into two and each half wakes up in a new body, would both of them be conscious? Would both of them feel like you? To try and understand this, let's look at something we know isn't conscious, like an AI chatbot, let's say Cleverbot. It can respond in clever ways, sure, but it's just a program. It doesn't feel anything. It doesn't have thoughts or a sense of self. It just reacts to input with pre programmed output. I know I'm not like that. I feel things. I know I exist. I'm having thoughts right now. But how do I know you do? How do I know that other people aren't just super advanced clever bots, talking, responding, but not actually feeling anything inside? That's a real philosophical question. And yeah, it's a bit of a mind bender. What if it's possible for someone to act like a normal human, say the right things, laugh at the right times, but not actually feel anything at all, like a philosophical zombie? Scary stuff. The truth is, science doesn't really have an answer to this. We can study disorders of consciousness like anosognosia. That's when a person can't move a part of their body, but they don't even realize it. Ask them to move their left hand, and they'll say, sure, but nothing happens. Ask why, and they'll make up an excuse like, I didn't feel like it. A surgeon slowly replaces your cells with mine, one by one, and mine with yours. At what point do I become you? At what point do you stop being you? There's no solid answer to any of this. All we've got is speculation and personal beliefs. But man, isn't it crazy to even think about